Hello, people. Guess what it is? Season number 2! Yeah, man! It's finally back!
What the hell are you doing here?
I'm introducing season number 2. What are you doing?
You know I am the host, right?
So?
Sorry, people, about that. We had to lock that motherfucker up. But look at the good thing. You don't get to hear his fucking gay ass starting. Don't worry. The Bills, they're going to... We got 5-5 right now. We gonna be going to the fucking playoffs. That's right. I'm not guaranteeing it. I'm just saying we can finish 11-5. 10-6 probably guaranteed in the playoffs. We don't gotta face the Patriots no more. Mr. Probably gonna be 19-0. But don't worry, boys. We got to come out against Jacksonville. We got to hurry our ass to the playoffs. Don't worry, fans. Personally, I'm feeling it, but I'm not guaranteeing it because if I guarantee it, they'll probably lose it. We got this, fans. You Fairweather fans and your bandwagon jumpers, you get off that bandwagon. And for you guys, you Fairweather fans, it's fucking as cloudy as shit. Our true fans will lead us to the playoffs. Bills, Bills, Bills. Oh, and welcome to season number 2. And sorry you didn't hear the fucking sound effects guy. Alright, see ya.
Go Bills! Go Bills! Go Bills!